Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for October of 2022. I feel like I just filmed this yesterday. This year is really going by. So here's what I'm going to tell you. Stop, slow down, enjoy the burr months. They're going to go away so fast. Enjoy the holiday season. Do the things you love in the holidays. Go ahead and start now and make yourself a bucket list and actually do them. So when you look back at the end of the year, when it's flown by, you can see all the things you did that you so enjoyed. That's just my holiday PSA for you. But you want to know about the Stamp Club, this stamp that we're fixing to reveal. If you're not familiar, this is our subscription club. It's super fun. It's a mystery stamp club. Every month you receive a stamp in your mailbox that's newly designed for the month. This is the one we originally started with, and it's been going since, I don't even know how many years now we've been doing this, but this was our original. And then our second club is our scripture club. So those stamp sets are scripture based. And if you'd like to know more about how to join, that information is in the description below. Now, this one is a fun one. I really just wanted this stamp set. I don't know that anybody requested it. I just wanted it. And you'll see why when you see our sample cards. Check this one out. I'm going to hold it like this every time, guys, upside down. All the years I've been doing it. This one is called Mug Season. And look at this. I wanted a mug that looked like one of those copper mugs, you know, the ones that are out there. I love how this one turned out, our little mug, and then our coffee cup, and I wanted it to do double duty. I wanted on this set to have this kind of lid, but I also wanted this round lid, and I wanted it all on one set so that we could get to them in one place. We do have other mug sets and other cup sets. This one, I think the other cup set is much smaller than this one. I wanted something bigger as well. So this is what we went with, and I love it. I think it's super cute. And wait do you see our samples? Now let's talk about the sentiments. I love this one. You're the everything nice to my pumpkin spice. I love that sentiment. Happy hugging a mug season. Super cute. And then look at all our little pieces to go with. Now I'm going to show you how we did this. And I really do think even if you have the other mug sets we have, you're going to like this one because of the size and because of the versatility. I love our little whipped cream. I think it's super cute. Check this out. Ready for this? Look at our samples. Now, me, Shannon, and Brenda, we went a little bit wacky, okay? We really enjoyed this. And I said, why do y'all think we did so much more on these cards? And they were all like, because it's our season. We love this season. And so we had a lot of fun. This is Shannon's, her little hug in a mug. And look, it's got marshmallows. And see the size of them? I love how big they are. So we got marshmallows. We've got the little copper mug. She actually did it with the copper paper, which I thought was so cute. This is that Sizzix copper. And then the snowflake in the middle. And this is the straw. But I want to show you something on the straw. It's got a little straw hole at the top, but if you turn it around, it's like a peppermint stick. Do you see the difference? You can snip this off if you want and use the other end, but what we did on this one was we turned it around so it would look like a peppermint stick, and we also stamped it in red. So that's Shannon's sample. I'll move that to the side, and then I'll show you Brenda's sample. Look at Brenda's. Brenda went very mente, okay? So she found this sweater paper in a mente pack. These are mente cutouts that she did. This is a piece of mente here, and she let that mente do the work. Isn't it cute? And her little cup, she wanted it to look like a sweater, she said. And then you're the everything nice to my pumpkin spice. How cute is that? By the way, this is not ribbon. This is a mente cutout. Isn't that cute? So love that one. And then mine. You can see here, I want you to see my little plastic lid. I love that. And I have to tell y'all, this plastic, I'm going to pull it out and show you it. This is the Brutus Monroe Specialty Surface. I don't know what's different, but when I stamped with this specialty surface, look how beautiful, look how rich that is. And I gotta be honest, my Stays On ink, which is what I use when I use a plastic or an acetate, is kind of drying up, but look how rich that stamp is on that plastic. And I just love how this turned out. Also, if you're wondering, I know sometimes you're like, how'd you glue that down? You'll see it when I show you, but you really can't see it unless I point it out. But I have a little bit of double stick tape running right here, and that's what's holding it down. And I ran it all the way across. That's the trick. Make sure you run it all the way across so it'll kind of hide. And then you can see I did mine as a straw because I have the little open end at the top, and then the little pumpkin, the little piecing. We did a lot of paper piecing. And these leaves that I used are from another stamp set. Let me show you. It's from this one right here that's called Blessed Beyond Belief. And they were cut out with the SVG. And I actually had saved these from a previous project and found them in the little container where I keep my stamps and just used them here because I think they work perfect. So there you go. There's our samples using mug season, and I just think it's adorable. I love how this turned out. I think you guys are really going to love using it. And if you'd like to know more information about our stamp club, again, it's in the description below. And one thing we do every month is we do a $50 gift card giveaway. And all you have to do to enter is make a project using our latest stamp set, post it over on our customer gallery, and that's it. We pick a random winner, and that winner will be in the description of this video from last month. So congratulations to our winner. And thank you all again for being part of our club. And until next time, bye now.